So this week's focus is going to be on our portfolio, and we're going to be updating it. So the first thing we need to do is to find where we saved the portfolio. So you're going to go to Google and go to your school Gmail because that's where you're going to find it. So this is my Gmail account. Go to the grid here and go to Drive. Once you open up Drive, you'll be able to find your portfolio in here. Okay, there it is here. I updated it just a bit as I was playing with it because I told you that I've never done this before. So we're going to be working on the Home tab this week, and then we'll have some extra time at the end where we can work on some other things. So the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is type your name in right here across the top. I just typed in Mrs. Barlage here. It says to edit the logo. Yours will say add logo. I'd like you to add a logo that's representative for you. I put in CTE because I teach CTE business courses. I just looked that image up on Google, saved it to my desktop, and then I added it in through here. I did not add an extra header this time like we did on the skills page. I just left it blank. And then down here, I just left a little bit of information about myself. I'm Mrs. Barlage, and I teach business at Southgate Anderson High School. As much as I hate to put this picture of my mug on here, you do need to put a nice picture of yourself. It needs to be school appropriate, obviously, right here on the front. So you're going to just click on it and upload an image. So if you have images on your desktop or in your photos, you can easily upload those on here. Below it says selected work. I uploaded some videos. The first video that I uploaded, I chose to upload through YouTube, and this was the starting your digital portfolio video that I made for you last week. And if you scroll over on this side right here, you can see all the different things that you could upload. So I clicked on YouTube and I went to my channel and I just uploaded it here. And then I titled it Start Your Digital Portfolio. I uploaded another one that I made for the life skills, and that was how to write a check. And then the last one was one of my students is explaining what is entrepreneurship class. So you can upload your videos here through YouTube, and then or you can upload pictures. I went through and I deleted one of the extra bars that was in here. You can delete a bar like this bar that's right here. You can delete by hitting the trash can. You can change the color schemes of them. I'll try changing this color scheme here because you do need to add your contact information, and I put in there my school email. Let's see what we can do here to change. It says you can have a regular background, emphasis. Oh, so you can put the grade title behind it. I kind of like that. So I think I'm going to leave the emphasis on there. And then down here, I just added a couple extra pictures. You'll see again, you can change the palette here. Emphasize with 2. Well, you could do that just to be a little bit different. So when I did emphasize 1, it made it a light gray bar. When I did emphasize 2, it changed it to the black background, which kind of highlights this information here. This here is a picture that I uploaded of the Hideaway. It's a school store. So I'm just going to type in here the Hideaway so we know what that image is. And then this one is from Macy's. This was DECA New York trip that we did. So I'm just going to type DECA New York. And this over here is DECA States when we went to DECA States. And I'm just going to type DECA States. And that was in Detroit. Oops, that came up. And then this one is also DECA States in Detroit. So I'm just going to label these images. Now you can add as many images as you want. If you notice over here, you can change the layouts that you want to put on here. I did 4 images. I clicked here and I added these 4 images. If I wanted to add more, I could just keep adding more images. I could put 1 large image and 2 small ones here. I could add videos. I could put text in a picture, but I can easily change how this page looks as I go through. It looks like there might be an extra bar in here. I'm going to delete that bar out so that everything is close together. You can see as soon as you click over these sections, they highlight. I don't want that one in there either. I just want it to be continuous. So let's see, maybe I'll change this one to a gray bar. Remember that was emphasis 1. So we'll change that to gray just so it breaks it up a little bit. So there's my big mug. We got an emphasis 1 here. We could have deleted that bar if we wanted to. Selected work is down here. I have the 3 videos again I uploaded from the right hand column using the YouTube section. I just clicked on here. I added my contact information and then a couple pictures from things that we did. So you're going to be working on your home page this week. Since that's not a lot to do and you do have some, we'll have some extra time, under the About skills, I don't want you to actually work there just yet, but what I do want you to do is start working on your resume and a letter of application. So I haven't done this just yet, but I'm going to upload. Let's see if I can do it right now. I'm going to upload some documents that you can look at. Let's see if I can upload them in here. I want to upload a document and I save them on my desktop. So let's see if I'm going to be able to find these staff. Because I want you to have something that you can look at. Maybe it's not on there. Let's see, file type. It's not in my drive, I know that. Let's see. I have it saved on my desktop, but I'm not really sure how to bring it in from my desktop. It doesn't really give me that option. Let me see if I can minimize it. I will end up putting it on here, so just so you know, you'll be able to go to the About page right here, and I'm going to have a sample letter of application, and I'll also have a sample resume for you to look at. Okay, so when you're ready to start creating your resume and your letter of application, just go to the About page and follow the sample. I'll also have some written directions for you to follow as well. All right, good luck.